Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a university website in WordPress. First, secure a memorable domain name and select a robust hosting plan capable of supporting thousands of daily visitors. Look for options offering at least 500 gigabytes of bandwidth and solid-state drives for faster performance. Most reputable hosts provide simple, one-click WordPress installation, making your initial setup very efficient and user-friendly. Next, selecting the right theme is crucial. Look for responsive designs tailored to universities, ensuring an excellent experience across all devices. Integrate fundamental plugins for top-tier security, safeguarding your site against common threats. Include a powerful search engine optimization plugin to boost visibility, and add advanced contact forms for seamless communication. These tools are indispensable for any professional educational platform. Structuring your content thoughtfully ensures visitors can navigate with ease and confidence. Create dedicated pages for each department, academic program, and research initiative, perhaps totaling over 100 separate content pages. Develop intuitive navigation menus, prioritizing the most sought-after information like admissions and course catalogs. A well-organized site keeps users engaged and informed, reflecting the institution's professionalism and clarity. Enhancing functionality for admissions and events is a top priority for any university site. Implement an intuitive online application portal, guiding prospective students through a few simple steps. Integrate a dynamic event calendar, showcasing all academic deadlines, lecture series, and campus happenings, updated daily. Consider a secure payment gateway for application fees, making the process smoother for thousands of applicants each year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.